In today's video, I'm going to teach you to fix Surfshark error 1015. If you're seeing this message, it usually means the website you're trying to reach has temporarily flagged your current IP address for too many requests or suspicious traffic. That can happen with shared VPN IPs, and the good news is, it's usually simple to resolve. Here's the plan we'll follow. Change your server inside Surfshark, wait 10 to 15 minutes to let the block cool down, and then reconnect. I'll walk you through what that looks like and why it works. Start by switching to a different server in the Surfshark app. Open Surfshark, make sure you're aware of your current location, and choose a new one. Picking a different country will give you a completely different IP, but even switching to another city within the same country often does the trick. The idea is to get an IP that isn't currently rate limited by the site you're visiting. If Surfshark shows recommended or fastest options, those are good places to start because they tend to be less congested. After selecting the new location, don't rush to load the site just yet. Now, wait 10 to 15 minutes. This pause is important. Many sites that throw error 1015 use a cooldown window to lift temporary restrictions, and hammering the site during that window can extend the block. During the wait, avoid refreshing the problem page and let the timer run out. Think of it like stepping away so the site's protective systems can reset. This patience usually makes the difference between a quick fix and a lingering error. Once that waiting period is up, reconnect using the server you selected and try the site again. If the page loads normally, you're all set. If the error still appears, repeat the same process. Pick a different server, give it another 10 to 15 minutes, and reconnect. Sometimes a site blocks several IP ranges, so trying a couple of locations can help you land on one that works. Choosing a geographically closer server can improve speed and reliability, but the main goal is simply to use an unblocked IP and respect the cooldown window. That's all there is to it. Change your server, wait a short while, and reconnect. This sequence resolves the vast majority of 1015 errors tied to shared VPN IPs. Take your time with the cooldown, and you'll usually be back online without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get past error 1015 quickly and confidently.